Hello students, welcome to your science class. Last week we learned about heavenly bodies like stars and planets and the solar system. But today we will understand about other heavenly bodies in the solar system. Let's start with satellites. Satellites are the heavenly bodies that revolve around planets. Now we know that planets revolve around sun. ग्रह जो है वो सूरज के अराउंड घूमते हैं. सेम थिंग सैटेलाइट्स रिवॉल्व अराउंड द प्लैनेट्स. सैटेलाइट जो है वो ग्रह के अराउंड घूमेंगे. सैटेलाइट्स गेट लाइट फ्रॉम द सन, सो दैट मीन्स उनके पास खुद की रोशनी नहीं होती है, उनको सन से मिलती है. मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लैनेट्स इन द सोलर सिस्टम हैव सैटेलाइट्स. ज्यादातर जो प्लैनेट्स हैं हमारे सोलर सिस्टम के, उनके पास उनके खुद के सैटेलाइट्स हैं. नाउ मून रोटेट्स अराउंड अर्थ and moon is said to be a satellite. Why? Because earth is a planet. earth जो है, पृथ्वी जो है वो एक planet है और moon जो है वो earth के चक्कर काटता है. So that means moon is a satellite. Therefore, it is also called the satellite of the earth because moon is rotating around the sun. As you can see in this picture, earth is rotating around the sun and moon is rotating around the earth. So that makes moon as satellite and earth as a planet. Now there are two types of satellites. First is natural satellite and second is artificial satellite. Natural satellites that are automatically in the nature, like उनको इंसानों ने नहीं बनाया. But when it comes to artificial satellites are something that are made by man. वो इंसानों ने बनाया है, वो ऑटोमेटिक नहीं था इस दुनिया में, वो इंसान ने बनाया है. Now this kind of satellite, they revolve around the planets. So now this is an artificial satellite which is also known as man-made satellite. It works on solar energy and revolves around the planet. जो उसके जो पैनल है, जैसे पंख जैसे लग रहे हैं, जैसे पंछी को पंख होते हैं, वैसे ही ये सैटेलाइट दिख रहा है. तो वो जो पंख है उनके ऊपर सोलर एनर्जी आएगी and then it will work. So this revolve around the planets. Why? Because it will help us to find out the updates and more details about the planet. जो हमको planets के picture मिलते हैं वो सब satellite खींच के लाता है. Because it's not always possible for us to go on this planet, right? Now हमारे day to day की जो life है उसमें भी satellite का बहुत बड़ा योगदान है. Why? They help us in communicating when we call someone or this internet connection. All this works on satellite. When we get this weather forecast, like हमको जब पता चलता है कि कल बारिश होगी नहीं होगी, सूरज होगा धूप होगी नहीं होगी, ये सब हमको सैटेलाइट की वजह से समझ में आता है. Also GPS, which is known as global positioning system, like हमारे पास जो गूगल मैप होता है वो भी, उसमें भी हमको सैटेलाइट की जरूरत पड़ती है, आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट की जरूरत पड़ती है. Also this transporting instruments and passengers to the space to perform experiments. So ये जो space में जाते हैं लोग, उसको भी help satellite ही करता है. So satellite plays a major role not in our day-to-day life, but also when it comes to all the space communications. Now let's see about dwarf planets. Dwarf planets are the smaller heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun independently. So these are like planets only, planets के जैसे होते हैं, but थोड़े से छोटे होंगे जो sun के around independently घूमेंगे. उनके पास भी खुद का orbit होता है. They do have their own orbit. Now I said dwarf planets revolve around the sun like other planets. It has its own orbit like other planets. Then what is the difference? So the difference between planets and dwarf planets is planets has cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. What is the meaning of this sentence? The meaning is जो planets होते हैं उनके आजू बाजू के जो भी rocks वगैरह होते हैं वो उन्होंने साफ किए होते हैं. Okay, the orbit के पास उनके अलावा कुछ नहीं होता. Okay, क्योंकि उनका जो रास्ता है वो जो ऑर्बिट है उतना ही होता है और उनके आसपास कोई दूसरी हेवनली बॉडी नहीं होती. But when it comes to dwarf planet has not cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. उसके ऑर्बिट के इर्द गिर्द जो है रॉक्स होंगे, एस्टेरॉइड्स होंगे, ये सारी चीजें होंगी. So it has not cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. Now basically known, we have these 5 dwarf planets in our solar system. The very famous one is Pluto. Pluto was also considered to be a planet till 2006. 2006 तक सब लोग कहते थे कि प्लूटो भी एक planet है. But later on, when we researched, we came to a conclusion that Pluto is a dwarf planet and not a planet in the solar system. So we have Pluto and we have these other 4 dwarf planets. So we have Sirius, we have Makemake, we have Iris, and we have Haumea. So these are 5 dwarf planets till now in the solar system. Let's learn about asteroids. Now, what are asteroids? As you can see in this video, these are some stones. Some are small, some are big. So these band of numerous small heavenly bodies are found between Mars and Jupiter. So these are called as asteroids. So asteroids also revolve around the sun. ये कहाँ मिलेंगे हमको? जुपिटर का जो ऑर्बिट है और मार्स का जो ऑर्बिट है उनके बीच में we can find these asteroids. There are these many asteroids that are just revolving around the sun. They are very small compared to planets. Like planets काफी बड़े होते हैं and asteroids are comparatively small. Like they are these big rocks or maybe made of gases, right? As you can see in this picture, there is this Mars orbit. Then we have this main asteroid belt. This is the band of numerous asteroids that are revolving around the sun in an orbit. Yeah. So this is main asteroid belt. Then we have Jupiter ka orbit and then we have other planets. So this is how it looks in the solar system. As you can see, these are these stones, kind of heavenly bodies that do not have a specific shape or size. They are just revolving around the sun. These are somewhat asteroids look like. So let's revise what we saw in today's this video. We learned about satellites. We saw that we have 5 dwarf planets. We also saw the asteroid, the belt of asteroids that is between Mars and Jupiter. Hope you liked the video. Please solve the Google form.